Hi everyone, it's Graham at Hudson Rose on a hot and sticky July morning. A video today a little bit about self-employment and particularly mortgage products for self-employed, and something that you may not know about. A lot of the time with mortgage products we talk about fixed rates and tracker rates and variable rates and all these sorts of things. And I'm going to do a separate video on those at some point to give you a rundown about how those products work and where they might be useful. But there's something that's particular to self-employed people, and I'm focusing here predominantly on sole traders and partners, people that have to settle their tax bill each year outside of any legal structure like a limited company. And there's a particular product that not many people may be aware of, and it's called an offset mortgage. I believe these started out in Australia, believe it or not. That's the rumour has it. But they've been in the UK now for a good 10-15 years. And what an offset mortgage does is that it links a savings account next to your mortgage account, which probably sounds a bit strange, but let's work through it and give you an idea of how it works and how it's crucial and how it can be really good for self-employed people. So if we take an imaginary scenario where you have a mortgage of £100,000 and that's your mortgage balance. With an offset mortgage, the lender will open a savings account alongside your main mortgage account. And that savings account can be used in the same way any savings account can be. You can put money in, you can draw money out, and exactly as you would expect, really. But the key thing is what happens with the interest. So if you've got a mortgage balance of £100,000 in your main mortgage, and you have an offset account, and you put in £20,000 into your offset account, what the lender does is they say, okay, we're not going to pay you interest on the £20,000 of the savings, and we're not going to charge you interest on £20,000 of your mortgage balance. So that gives you two options. Either you keep your mortgage payment the same each month, and every month, because they're charging you less interest because that 20,000 offset, you essentially make an overpayment and you pay your mortgage off more quickly. Or you keep the £20,000 offset, and because they're not charging you interest, they reduce the monthly payment and you keep your mortgage term the same. So an offset's a really good way to pay your mortgage off more quickly or reduce your monthly payment if you have spare funds available. Now, why is this good for self-employed people? Well, self-employed people have to settle their tax bill at the end of each year. So if you're running from April to March in the tax year, you then got to pay your tax bill by the January the following after the April. So what do you do with your tax money? If you're saving a bit each month, a lot of the time people have it in instant access savers accounts and everything else. But what you can do with an offset mortgage is every month you can save the money for your tax bill, put it into the offset savings account. That can then build up a fund ready for you to pay the tax to HMRC when it comes to January. But in the meantime, you're having the benefit of offsetting the interest against your mortgage account, either reducing the term or reducing the monthly payment. So it's really something to think about, is that when we focus a lot with self-employed people about income and what they want to borrow and all these sorts of things, but actually the product type can be really, really beneficial. To get that right can pay dividends, no pun intended, for you as a self-employed person with a mortgage. Now, clearly, what I do and what we do here at Hudson Rose is we will advise you on all those options. So it's not just about the maximum income stuff and how to structure it and everything else. The product is as important, okay? And we can have that conversation and we can say to you, look, we think an offset might be worth something looking into if it suits your circumstances. As I say, it's all about helping professionals and self-employed people get the mortgage they deserve without any long interviews or face-to-face meetings. So that's what we're all about. If you want to have a chat, then there is a booking link below. You can see my live availability. You can book a no obligation call through there. We also have a download for self-employed people, a guide, if you will, about the different ways in which lenders assess self-employed income. So drop me a message, I can fire that over. And always check the website, www.hudson-rose.co.uk. But other than that, I'm going to go and cool down because it's getting a bit hot in here. Have a great day, and if you've got any questions, let's get in touch. Speak soon. Cheers, bye.